The top 7 vitamins to repair nerve damage. If you experience tingling, burning, stabbing, or shooting sensations in your feet or hands, then you might be dealing with nerve injury. The nerves throughout your body send electrical messages from the brain and spinal cord across the nervous system. At times, the very tips of these nerves become harmed, which usually brings about a sharp, shooting ache, especially in the fingertips or toes. In more serious cases, you could notice numbness, weakness in muscles, or a lack of balance. This kind of nerve damage is known as peripheral neuropathy and can be triggered by high blood sugar, alcohol intake, circulation issues, and vitamin or mineral deficiencies. Fortunately, there are particular vitamins that you can add to your routine that restore nerves naturally and effectively, helping bring back normal feeling in your hands and feet and eliminate nerve discomfort for good. And that's what we'll be covering in today's video. I use the word vitamins in a broad sense, including minerals, antioxidants, and plant compounds that can be used to repair nerve damage naturally. Just my usual reminder, this video is for learning purposes only, so always consult your doctor if you have any health problems. 1. Alpha-lipoic acid. The first nutrient on this list is alpha-lipoic acid. A supplement of 600 milliliters alpha-lipoic acid, taken 3 times daily, helps rebuild and restore nerves. This is a natural antioxidant often prescribed in Germany to ease signs like pain, tingling, or prickling feelings in the legs, feet, and hands. Alpha-lipoic acid also enhances circulation to your nerves, feeding them and repairing oxidative stress. It additionally assists the electrical messages to travel through the nerves to the brain as they are meant to. You can also get it by eating organ meats and quality red meats, such as beef liver, cod liver, and pasture-raised beef. 2. Benfotiamine, vitamin B1. The next key vitamin for nerve healing is vitamin B1, particularly in the form called benfotiamine. Nerve conditions often happen due to eating too many processed foods and having too much sugar in the bloodstream. High sugar levels cause swelling and oxidative stress in the vessels attached to the nerves. This basically makes the nerves dry out and misfire. They then send wrong messages back to the brain, causing numbness, pain, and tingling. You can take 300 milliliters of benfotiamine twice daily to naturally restore nerves. Because it is fat-soluble, it penetrates the fatty sheath around the nerves, myelin, to heal them inside. It is also helpful for anxiety, calming the nervous system so you feel more balanced, steady, and at ease. You can also find B1, thiamine, in foods like sunflower seeds, asparagus, beef liver, and pastured eggs. If this information is helping you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to get more health and nutrition tips. 3. Cod Liver Oil, extra virgin. Moving to number 3, extra virgin cod liver oil. For healing the nerves and the brain, it's vital to consume foods high in DHA, a form of omega-3 fatty acid. DHA is used by the body to form healthy neurons and nerve tissues, and it is the most plentiful fatty acid in the brain. You can get it by eating fatty fish like sardines, wild salmon, anchovies, and mackerel. But the richest natural option is Icelandic virgin cod liver oil, 1 TSP daily. Omega-3 fats also lower inflammation and help ease swelling or irritation that may affect your nerves. 4. Nutritional yeast, B complex. Next is one of my favorite superfoods, nutritional yeast. Eating 2 to 3 tablespoons of yeast flakes daily can support nerve healing and protect from future problems. These flakes are loaded with B vitamins, B1, B3, B5, B6, etc., which are essential for nerve health. Taking this often helps manage blood sugar, reverse neuropathy, and raise energy by supporting glucose use. Other good B-complex foods include eggs, dairy, seafood, and shellfish. 5. Curcumin, turmeric. At number 5 is curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Turmeric, part of the ginger family, has been used for thousands of years to fight inflammation and reduce discomfort in the body for a wide variety of conditions. Adding a teaspoon to meals, curries, or milk can restore nerve function and relieve pain. I also suggest using a small pinch of black pepper, since this boosts absorption of curcumin up to 2,000%. Turmeric helps your liver create glutathione, the main antioxidant that repairs and nourishes nerves. I know this video contains a lot of information, so pause, rewind, and take notes if needed. 6. Zinc. The sixth essential nutrient for nerve health is zinc. This mineral is required to build neurons, neurotransmitters, and hormones that influence your nervous system. Zinc is especially useful in protecting the optic nerves, which is very important for people with diabetes. You can add more zinc by eating crab meat, liver, seaweed, beef, oysters, and pumpkin seeds. Another option is taking 30 milliiron zinc chelate as a supplement. Zinc stabilizes blood sugar levels and prevents more damage to the nerves. 7. Vitamin B12, methylcobalamin. Lastly, one of the most vital nutrients for repairing nerves is vitamin B12. A deficiency in B12 is common, especially among older adults or those following plant-based diets. Yet B12 is critical because it maintains the myelin sheath, the protective covering around nerves. It also helps produce red blood cells that feed and repair the nervous system. Food sources include seafood, shellfish, red meat, eggs, and algae. You can take up to 1,800 mg of B12, methylcobalamin form, daily for faster regeneration of nerves. Be sure to choose methylcobalamin and not cyanocobalamin, which may have harmful effects. As you can see, there are many vitamins and nutrients that restore nerves and bring back normal sensation in the toes, hands, feet, and other areas. Many are already present in foods you may eat often, so you can start right away. Still, prevention is key. One of the top causes of nerve pain is too many AGEs, advanced glycation end products. These are sticky proteins that clog nerves and disrupt signals. They are found in foods that mix fat, sugar, and protein, like BBQ meats, donuts, pizza, ice cream, flavored yogurts, and fast food. Another main cause is high blood sugar from diabetes or prediabetes. Too much sugar harms the vessels feeding the nerves, breaking their coating and causing them to misfire, which leads to tingling, pain, or numbness. Now that you know the causes and the key nutrients, here are lifestyle tips to protect your nerves. Stop eating inflammatory oils such as margarine, soy, corn, canola, safflower, and refined olive oil. They damage vessels and nerves. Eat seafood twice weekly, including fatty fish, shellfish like clams and mussels, and sea vegetables such as nori or kelp. These supply omega-3s that rebuild brain and nerve tissues. Practice intermittent fasting. Eat all calories in a 4-hour window, fast for 20 hours. This activates autophagy, where your body removes sticky proteins, AGEs, harming the nerves, and stabilizes blood sugar. Get at least 20 minutes of activity 2 times per week to raise circulation to the peripheral nerves in the limbs. Take warm baths with Epsom salts to relieve nerve discomfort. Heat increases circulation, and adding essential oils, such as lavender, relaxes the nervous system. By applying these steps and including the nutrients discussed, you can restore nerve function and reduce pain in your body. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, I wish you health, happiness, and success.